Revit 24 gives us so many new updates and features. Here are top 5 updates and features which is most popular and useful to anyone. First, till now we had only few sample models like technical school, basic model and one advanced model. Here we get a completely coordinated new model, that is Snowdon Tower. This will be very useful to us because here we have updated schedules, families, filters, seats in any of the Snowdon Tower model. Here we are using HBC model, but if we go to the VB, we will see already other disciplines are linked to this model. See, architecture, electrical, facades, plumbing, site, structural, all disciplines are linked to this model. I am just turning this electrical one. See, all the components of electricals are, you can see other disciplines also. I am just changing this electrical to plumbing, this one. Let's see. Here we get all the components of plumbing in model. So this is our first updated features in Revit 24, and second one will be search option in project browser. You can search anything which is in the project from here. For example, we are searching plans here. You can also search floors here. And even you can search families from here, like cable trays, pipes and so on. So this is our second update. Now our third update. I'm just opening a new floor plan here. Now if we right click here, you will see here is one new option, that is open sheet. If you click this open sheet, this will open the sheet where this floor plan is placed. Here this is the sheet. In previous versions of Revit, if we want to see the sheet name, we had to go to the properties panel or we had to create sheet schedule. Now from these versions we can directly search the sheet using open sheet option. So this is our third update. Let's see the fourth one. In schedule also, you can see there so many things are updated. Just like from now, you can set view template in schedules. And also you can change color of any row like this here. There are also so many things updated for panel schedule, load schedule. You will see these things in a separate video. Now one of the most popular update, that is canvas theme. You can switch between dark and light theme using this option. You will find this under view tab. Let's see. Currently we are using dark theme. Let's change it to light theme. You can also change the settings for light and dark theme from options. Here, see, you can change the settings here, light and dark. So this is our 5 most popular updates of Revit 24. So if this video is helpful to you, please like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.